Hey, Rainbow here, how are you? And today I'm gonna talk about what I installed on this bike several months ago, and that is a SysApp tracker. It's a GPS tracker, and let's be honest here. SysApp sent it to me for free. I know it goes for over 200 bucks, so I'm very fortunate, and I really gave it a hell of a test. I even took it to Texas and back. So I put it through its paces, and I tell you what, I really like it. First of all, it's easy to install. Let's take a look. So the SysApp comes in a box like this, pretty cool, and inside it's gonna have a special number for you to put in so that it's very specific to the unit that you purchased. The unit looks just like this, and it is weatherproof, all right, or weather tight-ish. I've had it in the rain, I've had it in pouring rain, I've had it in 200 miles plus of pouring rain. This thing has gone with me to Texas and back, which is about a 3,000 mile round trip, and a lot of other places. There are only two wires to connect. It goes direct to your battery, just a negative and a positive, and then find somewhere to hide it on your bike and strap it up out of the way. So one of the cool things about this app is it gives you a lot of information. Now, I will tell you that you should download the SysApp Pro. Now, there are no additional monthly fees once you purchase the unit, all right? And I think it's somewhere around 200 bucks, give or minus, plus or minus, depends where you live. All right, so for example, this is telling me 12.8 volts, the temperature where my vehicle is, that it is online, and it is currently on a stop. But it gives you so much more than that. So one of the really cool things about this is that it'll track all of your trips and give you a ton of information on everything, really basically everywhere that you've been. So I see that it's pretty darn cool, and it follows me every single place I went, even to my favorite little turn here that I like to go through. Lots of information. I'm not finding it to be super, I guess, user-friendly, but you're gonna have to just get used to it. But overall, I like it. Again, they sent it to me for free. I said I would do a review. It is very accurate. It does a great job. I like the fact that I don't have to pay a monthly fee, and it's able to track the motorcycle and keep tabs on my battery. So overall, I'm really happy with it. Again, it was sent to me for free. That's my disclosure to you. And you know, every time I get something for free, there's times that I just don't like it and I won't even do a review, and there's times when I do a review and it's not such a great review. I will tell you that I'm extremely happy with the SysApp. I've put a lot of miles on with it, and the fact that I can go back and look at previous trips on it is awesome. The fact that I don't have to keep paying an annual subscription is even better, unlike the Manimoto that I have hidden in here somewhere. So that's about it. So this is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. SysApp is a thumbs up from me. I do like it. I would buy one. Have a good day. Bye-bye.